Take a close look at this photo. On the left, the laces are perpendicular to the length of the shoe. On the right, the way I tied my shoes for 45 years, the laces run from the toe to the heel, which is the wrong way to tie our shoes. So, let's learn exactly how to do this right. It might not be your problem, but it was mine. This is the wrong way to tie your shoe. Notice how you go underneath the index finger before you go through the hole. Now, when you take a few steps, the laces turn toe to heel. They're loose, they won't stay tied, and it looks dorky. Here's the correct way to do it. You go over the thumb, over the top, and then through the hole to tighten. Now, when you take a few steps, the laces stay tied. Even these leather laces, braided laces, ones that typically won't stay tied, no double knotting required. Now, let's assume you're a two-loop person. It's the same deal. Do not do this. Do not go underneath the index finger and then through, because you will end up with the same result. Take a few steps, the laces are turning toe to heel, won't stay tied, and look ridiculous. You want your kicks to look good, don't you? So for the two loops, you want to do the same thing. You want to go over your thumb, and then boom, you've got it tied correctly. So let's tie our shoes on the left hand side, the right way.